Did you know you can host multiple websites using just one hosting account? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add Addon domain step by step, simple, fast, and beginner friendly. First, log into your cPanel. Usually, you can access cPanel by typing your domain name followed by /cPanel in your browser. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Once you are inside cPanel, use the search bar and type Addon Domain or Domain. Then click on Domains and select Create a new domain. In the form provided, enter the domain name you want to add. Next, look at the document root field. This is where you can choose where your website files will be stored. If you want to combine it with your main domain, you can leave this option checked. If you want to keep it separate, simply uncheck the box. In this example, I chose to uncheck it so each domain has its own folder. This keeps everything more organized and easier to manage. Once everything is set, click Submit. And that's it. At this point, the process of adding a new domain is complete. If you plan to manage multiple websites, this step is essential. Hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress and hosting tutorials, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.